friends, welcome to the channel Orange Blast. I'm Meghna. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw different shapes. Okay guys, so first we are going to draw a circle. For this we will be needing anything circular and we will just draw the outline. For drawing a circle, we take a compass, but for a small child, this is good enough. Okay, so next we are going to draw square. A square is a shape of four sides which are equal in length. So I'm going to draw a square of 4 centimeters. So all the four sides will be of 4 centimeters. Next we are going to draw a rectangle. In a rectangle there are 4 sides but 2 are equal. So we are going to draw a rectangle of say 4 centimeters from here and then 6 centimeters. Then again 4 centimeters. And then this one is of 6 centimeters. This line is of 6 centimeters. So these two lines are equal and these two lines are equal. Next we are going to draw a triangle. Now triangle is a shape with 3 sides. So again, first we are going to draw a horizontal line, say of 6 centimeters, and then a vertical line. Again we can take of 6 centimeters, and again here this line is also of 6 centimeters. So this is our triangle. Now we are going to draw a semicircle. So semicircle is half of the circle. So first we will draw a horizontal line, say of 4 centimeters, and then we can just draw a curve like this. And this is our semicircle. Now we will draw a star. So now we will draw a star. So for a star, what we have to do is first we have to draw a triangle. So say we will draw a triangle of 6 centimeters. Like this, and now we will draw an inverse triangle. So again I'll draw a line of 6 centimeters, cutting it like this. Like this. So this is our star. Hey guys, so in this video we have learned how to draw 6 shapes: circle, square, rectangle, triangle, semicircle and star. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. For more fun-based activity learning, subscribe Orange Blast, and you can also follow Orange Blast on Instagram. Thank you.